which I guess is better than 0.
Blue tack is actually so W.
Dude, I got a scope AR on a fucking revolver. 2 revolvers.
Another tack, you wanna?
I'm about to
just joking.
fucking Rick Grimes
That's
up.
an attack.
Holy fuck, I'm him.
Wow, I'm just Kobeing everyone.
Dude, how do they have shield already?
Oh my god, I'm fucking him. Dude, I can't put the revolver down, dude.
Oh, it's so good.
I know, trust me.
Headshots are so good, dude. Oh my god, I can't talk. Blue revolvers are actually rare as fuck, too.
I have one.
I've got that shit once. Cracked. Nice.
Landon is John Wick.
Dude, have you been spectating me the whole time?
I saw that shit through the ceiling. Bro, I look like voice critical.
Dude, I'm literally him.
That was the dude I died to, dude. He was pussy.
If you had seen all the shots that I've hit in this game, you'd probably bust a nut.
Right.
Out of the 6
Hey,
shots...
wait, you got a grenade launcher, right?
Yeah.
Try to rocket ride me on it. Will be used.
I don't have any rockets. Oh shit, behind us.
No ammo. No way, bro. You just died to a pistol.
Dude, the pistols are good, especially if you hit headshots. Oh my fucking god, I'm him.
It might be.
Dude, I'm fucking shit up.
Perez 5
I haven't even
kills
got
with
a. I haven't got a
fucking
chance to
beat
shoot
away.
anyone.
Dude, I don't. Yeah, because I keep fucking headshotting him. You know what?
Like,
Fuck it. Take all my shit. I'm using a revolver.
Yeah, you don't need it. You're better.
There's a gray pump. There's a purple SMG. Some bandages. A GL. Actually, I'll take the GL. But... Dude, if I had fucking aimbot, holy.
That Sam wants to go so harder now.
Izzy, what you doing tomorrow?
Jack shit.
Nice, nice.
Fortnite.
Bye, dude.
Cracked.
I hear Killer yelling. He's playing Fortnite too.
You stole my kill, dude.
Oh my fucking god!
Alright, guys. Let's not ignore the fact that that was a bot team. All right.
Alright, well, where are all your bot kills, buddy?
Haven't got the chance. All right. I see a team and they're dead.
I god, we're just that good.
Actually, the Deagle's not out yet.
Dude,
I
once the
need
Deagle is out, holy fuck.
On god, I fucking love the
I hope
Deagle.
it's like whenever it first came out where it could one-shot builds.
It will be.
Literally, yeah, the wood builds or whatever.
I'm ready for the fucking
That shit
heavy
was
sniper to
so
come back.
good.
I'm gonna bust all over the place when the heavy sniper comes
That
out.
plus the
Bro,
pump
heavy
is
sniper
so
did
good.
so much. That shit was like not even needed. It did like 275 headshots. It did not need to be that powerful.
Actually, I don't even need shield. I don't know why I'm pressing about
Yes!
that. Do you guys have rockets, perchance?
I tried to take it from you.
Bro,
Fucking
I
for
didn't
shopping
need
carts,
it.
I remember whenever they first came out, all the crazy ass shit I used to do with them.
Does anyone need ammo that isn't medium? Because you are not getting my medium. Get cone, bitch.
Are you serious right now?
Is that a big pot? For me?
Hey, you ho.
Get edited, bitch. No way. Landon.
Guys, if you guys are gritty, it's faster than walking in Loot Lake.
Damn it. I see people over by that big odd tree. Come on, deep god. 30 cracked. Finish it. Finish it.
I'm trying.
Alright, maybe not now.
Okay, Peyton stole my kill.
I just got beat.
My ass! You had all the time to.
It's kind of hard to
I
see
had
him when
go-
he's
I
200
went
meters away.
all the way around.
Bro's
the
gonna get a
house and
fucking
everything.
stat kill. You got it.
Oh shit. For stat padding. Like James Harden in
Stat padding
2018.
in Fortnite.
Oh, chest. I don't need it. Because I'm fucking him.
Bro, don't need that shit. You got a revolver.
I got a revolver and a fucking grenade launcher, and that's it. And some bandages. Where are you shooting at?
There's a guy right there. Open your eyes. He's literally 1 HP, I promise. Like, I hit him for what the hell?
Dude, you killed him before I could.
With an SMG, I just sprayed the whole bag over there.
And Peyton's over there and fucking yonder.
Yeah,
He
it'd
needs
be
to
like
go
that.
get kills.
We should probably get a circle.
Yeah.
Who needs circle?
You? Me?
Oh, I got a deagle or a revolver. I'm gonna
What
use
color is it?
gray, but it does the same trick.
So, if I was about to say, if it was blue, I'll give you my, Dude, you don't need another
No,
blue
that's
there.
my deagle.
Double revolver.
I would have if it was a blue one. Or a green. I just don't want the gray one.
Honestly, the blue to gray is only like a 6 damage difference.
For a headshot? I only hit headshots, motherfucker.
Well, I
Thanks.
think for that it only does like 50.
Yeah, the blue one does.
The gray does like 140, 135 or some shit.
Well, you gotta think. Most people won't have shield.
That's what I'm saying, it doesn't matter.
I'm like out of mats completely.
Yeah, for real.
I'm
This
not.
fucking lake took all of my shit. 400 total.
I have 51 total.
Yeah, that shit stole your mats.
Yeah, I literally had like majority wood. I still do, but
Look back at it. We just built all over the place. We did not need
Look
to do all
back
that.
at it.
anyone need ammo?
Look back and tap it.
Or have
Nah.
rocket ammo?
I got grenades. Can you grenade rag?
No. Well, you can, but it's like even more precise than fucking
Especially because you can't aim it.
yeah.
I'm just waiting to pull up on a whole squad, dude.
Yeah, for real. I need to hit another headshot. I'm fucking craving.
Real, I just got this shit. I want to use.
Wow. Mean is he carrying?
Look at
Right.
this. Wow,
I've seen
dang
maybe
it, we
2
both
people
have
all
6
game.
kills. That's crazy.
Every time I get to you guys, they're slumped.
We are just that good.
I can't wait for the legendary pump to come back.
Double pump works just the same.
Yeah, I know. But
Real
imagine,
shit. And they're the same thing
imagine
this season.
legendary pump, legendary double pump.
Oh god, that'd be.
That would literally
Yeah, but you
like.
can't do that.
I think you can in creative. I think they like have settings where you can.
Yeah, but
I guess creative
really, I
is-
went for the supply drop to get a fucking purple scoped AR.
blowing my brains out.
I'm gonna take it. Bug it.
You're not hitting a single shot with that shit.
Oh, we're gonna try.
Oh, shooting.
Wish I. Oh, I do.
I like being able to slide down mountains, dude. I
Yeah,
get so
they're all
much
the way
speed.
over there.
Yeah, for
It's
real.
actually crazy.
Bro, we should have just stayed pleasant the whole game.
W slurp.
Oh my fucking god.
He's actually kind of good with it. Bros, John.
They call me
John
John.
Bork.
I hit him again.
How are they hitting me, dude? Bro, how are they hitting fucking me?
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Bro just squad wiped with the
Right. Were they real?
No, not a chance.
Oh.
These guys bombs.
Oh my fucking god, again.
If they're real, it'd be cool.
I don't know, you got a lot of kills.
Yeah, but they're bums.
They're bums. Oh, I asked you guys to play ranked, and we're playing this shit.
I've got 11 kills with a fucking
Because ranked
revolver.
is AIDS.
Ranked is real people. It's either that or bots. That's just, the real people are insane now.
I'm doing revolver, shotgun, and that's it. It's us versus another squad. Time to hit more headshots.
Alright, time to put it to the test. This is gonna see how good of a revolver god you really are.
What the fuck are you
Whoa,
guys doing?
okay, maybe this guy's insane.
I had the match, so I was just fucking around. I mean,
I turned around and I see Nathan, or not Nathan, fuck, Peyton fucking cranking.
I did the same thing to Izzy earlier, dude.
Fuck you.
Do I shoot him down?
I'll be okay. I'm quick at it.
Oh, it's you.
Oh shit.
Guys, am I Omega lol?
I don't even know what that means. I'm gonna be real.
I heard you can wall bounce in fucking Fortnite now.
Yeah, you can.
In regular.
No, you can in here too.
How?
Hang on. You have to do it right.
You
Yeah.
cannot wall bounce in OG.
Oh wait, I forgot they didn't add the fucking new mechanics to this one. Never mind. Oh hey, look, another simple trip.
Uh-oh.
Go get him, son.
Oh my god, they're real people.
The first real people.
Knock one.
Nice.
Bro, he's fucking 80. 80 white on this little anime queer. Oh yeah, you got get the last one. No.
Move, bitch.
Get the last one. Get the last one. With the deagle.
Get shit on.
Hey. Yay! We're so good, guys. That was a great way to end it.